Hello everyone, welcome to the day 2 of the 5-day Forex bootcamp. I hope you are doing well. I'm also doing amazing. I welcome you guys to the 5-day Forex bootcamp. Forex bootcamp, so we are starting in 2 minutes. Get ready with your notepad and pen. Notepad and pen lobiruro, ishing lobiruro, go to washroom because once I start 1 hour the break log to phamsiko. So I'm giving you guys 2 minutes. 2 minutes na ready lebiro. And until then, comment where are you guys from? We are starting in 2 minutes, guys. Okay, welcome back, welcome back. Mayam ngasi today we are going to learn a very important topic. Aigi trading journey da yamna ingon help the topic. This is the thing that changed my whole trading career. And that is, what is smart money and why do we trade like smart money? Okay, so yamna important aspect I understand tawseba. Most of the traders, they fail and lose money in trading. Trading da paisa loy mange, loy fail loy. So if aina sige number se mi kya no haina yeng taragadi, close to 95% people lose money in forex. Mi sama 95% mange habaneba. Mayamda aina sigi maramda understand tahongani why people lose money in trading. Main thing is that trading se kyam chawa market no and how much money that we can make from trading. And smart money understand tawge hai taragadi we need to understand some facts and figures. Hello everyone, my name is Mahesh, founder of Trade House Community. I've been in the trading space for more than 7 years. I have been a funded trader for the past 5 years. My main journey is growth piva. My main income it's by understanding how smart money works. World smart money haiba concepts understand taurakanda. This is when I started growing in my trading career. So let's dive deep into what is smart money and why do we trade smart money concepts. What do we understand? Understand that 95% of traders lose money in trading. So see dots so dots connect okay. So let's go to foreign exchange market. Forex market, stock market mainly ideal in the forex market. Forex market, the if you look at the screen, the trading in foreign exchange markets average $7.5 trillion per day in 2022. 2022 for the latest data 2022 for the $7.5 trillion transactions $7.5 trillion is a calculator it's that big. Crore I don't know, but it's huge. Foreign exchange world ki khwaidagi chawba market ne kaitaboi khwaidagi chawba market because it is money market, financial market, paisa gi market ne adugi chawri ne and it is so big that no mother $7.5 trillion transactions right? Keep this in your mind. Next thing, market participants. Market participants, the kana participant tauge habako. Volume koina chaw participants mayam sida hoi market kana participate tauge na hang taragadi ahanbada it is the banks, big institutions mayam, the government, hedge funds, retail traders. Sigi mari sida khwaidagi volume chawba transactions chawna kana on a daily basis trade tauge hai taragadi. JP Morgan, UBS, XTX, Deutsche Bank, Citibank, HSBC, Jump Trading, Goldman Sachs, State Street Corporation, Bank of America. Total moi tara sigi percentage moi market share total token bakanda round figured 75% of the market share is controlled by these 10 banks. $7.5 trillion ki 75% de kya hoita it will be close to $5 trillion. Haidi moi tara na ne $7.5 trillion transactions to wasida moi tara se na $5 trillion di control to ngam okay, and if you look at it say company me am say paisa mang da bra na moi trading data moi trading gi balance sheet yeng bakanda we will get to know that see kango me am say they don't lose money. Earn away and they make in millions per day in millions. Moi 200 trading days like with the net. Every single day they are winning. I want you guys to understand. And then I say how many traders lose money in Forex type with the 95% mang in high because so mang is gonna know have study so foreign exchange $7.5 trillion chawe. These are the top 10 currency traders and these are making money on a regular basis. They are making huge amount of money. So taragadi mang is a government hires because they are always partnered with the banks. It's either hedge funds and the retail traders. Retail kangu se mang this. Retail traders se kamai na mang no have a question se neba. Understand to this. Mang ba hire trading dagi paisa earn to ba yagadra. mi loi mangnaraba if see question je hang taragadi I want you guys to understand 7.5 trillion dollars chawba market ne 7.5 trillion dollar hai market ama lai market is going to run up and down adum genom thokpa chain do ne if aina hai taragadi see 7.5 trillion se lokthokpadi anyone can take out the money only thing is see 7.5 trillion dollar chawba market se per day chawba market se sidagi paisa lokthokpado haiba whatly harine the same. And I was the same, I ju hiram dev until I understand what is smart money concepts. Let's dive deeper. Forex tamge hai taragadi Forex haiba mi amdai tamudoine. Aina school kare ozadagi tamdoine. In terms of Forex, Forex tamge hai taragadi Forex trading se trading se hana banks kitang tawrameba hana openly public naga sumaina trade chang hobis tawramdeba. So when trading was made public internet yarakpakanda proper public orakpakanda dike dawre kanadagi tamudoino already Wall Street leramba trading gi floor da leramba mi myam dai tamdoine si mi myam sin takpi bu khopi bu dune ba myam tamdois most of the people myam learn tawnari se si screen da uriba patterns myam sin Google the Forex patterns type tawre and these are things that are coming out on the screen. Now I hiding but this is a work tawde hiding me one tabuko but this is what people are learning. Example see top chart patterns in Forex habakanda double top, head and shoulders, rising wedge, expanding triangle, triple top. Most of the traders are learning double top the market sales or head and shoulder market sales what I want you guys to understand see work the winner 95% of traders majority of traders see retail concepts learn trading what we need to understand is these are the people who are the losers bank they are not losing money, they are always winning money. And retail traders, we are always losing money. Aina trading da paisa earn tauge consistently earn tauge hai taragadi ai kokte yagodabse kaino market ta earn tauraga laiba mi market ta control taur laiba mi si kangu sina kamaina trade changi moi analysis kamain tawi how are they what kind of algorithms they are using moi movements e karino aina sise khang taragadi is it possible for me to make money? Sigi gangu sina footprint ama thamgane market ko. Adugi footprint to I understand taw taragadi we can surely make money. Smart money concepts hai taragadi institutions mayamna moina changma mawong se ekhoina study tawraga trade changbodo that is called smart money. Paisani lay smart money and dumb money. Smart money harapakanda I want you guys to understand the big institutions, the big banks kangu se institutions kangu se they are known as smart money. So according to this smart money concepts, understanding how these big players are putting their orders more in orders sama kamaina changi habdo adu understand tawdine now hojiki aina mamanga taiba part na akoina smart money concept se kaidobagi changadaba no habdune aina mem understand tawlis retail concept kaidoge ha kan the most people lose money so there is one problem habdi market se market ki move tawai mawong se retail traders paisa manghanna bagi mong move tori ne si aina highway one na te ko mi me am si me am je loi tamme ko si me am je loi tamna re ba makan all of this line ching mi me am je loi tamme ba and then when I look at the statistics stats seeing because 95% are losing money har ku dune main thing hoina there is something wrong with this education sigi information ja si award la lebu di habe the award pa khar di le re sigi award pa se main na ba we introduce you smart money concepts. What is smart money concepts? Understanding how the smart money, understanding how the big players are moving in the market, that is all. So smart money concepts Harakpakanda, we will be learning few topics. Liquidity, imbalance, institutional candles or order blocks. See topic. Homes when understand Tautaragadi, we will be able to understand smart money concepts deeply. Today we are going to learn about liquidity. What is liquidity? Liquidity is a pool of money sitting together or a pool of orders sitting together. Paisa or order punna phammaga leiba jaga amane liquidity haise. And where can we find this liquidity? Sigi liquidity se kadai da khoina thiyo phangani haiba question amada equal highs, equal lows, swing highs, swing lows, session highs and session lows. Example hoina si se equal low ko. This is equal low taragadi this is a liquidity oidune. Equal high, equal low ka thizi ko. This is equal high kaure. This is also liquidity. Adum 1 hour, 4 hour practice to bhi hai. Okay. ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯦꯛꯊꯣꯛꯑ ꯊꯝꯃꯦ equal high ꯀꯧꯔꯦ equal high ꯀꯧꯔꯦ equal low equal high equal low. Now liquidity is a pool of money sitting together. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ understand ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯇ buyer ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ opposite seller ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯅꯪ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯇ buyer ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ seller ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ or seller ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ buyer ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ buyꯒ sellꯒꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ example से अगी phone निको अगी phone से योनिंग तारगदी और सिगी phone से आई 80,000 लेगी को और सिगी phone से 80,000 अमु योनिंग है हाई तारगदी 80,000 की price level द लेबी नब मी मथोक तायब और आई सिगी phone से 60,000 द लेनिंग है हाई तारगदी आई वांट द 60,000 योलत मी मथोक तायब सिसिने buyer अमगा seller अमगा कोई traditional market द लेबे सुमाइना buyer अमगा seller अमगा लेगदबनी हाई से को smart money concepts to kai understand tauni hai tara khoi gi big players na sai gi JP Morgan Bank of America moi myam se ko moi gi orders yamna chawe millions lot sizes the trade change okay so millions lot sizes the trade chang bai ji kai no if I want to buy 1 million worth of lot sizes aigi opposite to 1 million worth of lot size the sale torpam changi smart money concepts na kai doge high consider sizo understand of you that they buy and sell at the best price smart money concepts ki am nungai bam hai taragadi moina pot am leibase aidi iPhone sigi ai ji price iPhone 15 ne ko iPhone 15 je khwai di tang am da 80,000 ne ihan an tholak pa ko but hoji ji li si yang khai chai da phange the taragadi iPhone 15 je leigi hai tar lising ni yang khai da leibugumba okay aduga iPhone 15 je moina yoningi haba kandana sell tawge har kandana tangkhat 80,000 swaida 70 de yonba right yola su tangna yonba premium de yonba layer discounted the labor sit adu tar business perspective ta sinen tongjari ne market ta buy natraga sell tawge haba kanda moigi cho lot sizes moigi cho positions match tonaba order change okay now what they do is they make the retail traders as liquidity example oina akhoi sigi zigzag ubakanda ko when you see this cg ubakanda this is a consolidation hainas kawe we call this as consolidation the consolidation da kaina price na sigi lines kumthare thienge kakhale lines dong thienge kumthare lines dong thienge kakhale lines dong thiengame exactly thieng draga su but partial oina ko sidong thienge kare hain tawraga simai shame laigre now when akhona sigi patterns understand tawba kan kaino hai taragadi sigi level mayam se the buy order mayam sell order mayam phamba hora bane buy order mayam sell order mayam changba hora bane so many buys and sells has been put in these orders gyan tai ko aduga buy order sell order mayam leire adugi mathakta sigi mathakta nasai akhona understand tawgiba M do bearish double top hairase bearish double top otari market ji kumthani haine so siguma bearish double top or bearish triple top or paganda ga market se maha kumthani habi concept am lei ri yan dai ko market se maha kumthani habi concept am lei adagi bearish triple bottom dana bullish triple bottom dana market se mathak kani habi concept lei ko habi di sigi mong da sigi mong na sumaina siyong paganda price kumthani natraga price karakani have concept am lay now aduna maram oiraga what happens is a huge amount of money huge amount of orders am changa haidi pending order hai tare ko sida nam sida buy ngai ba sida sell ngai ba order me am jing ngai lay ko adagi sida buy changba si breakout la ena sida buy chang mi am chang nei ada sigi order me am se match tor matung sida smart money na kaidoge higher consider moi order do changba ngame higher consider they push in the market and then this liquidity gets taken out sida laiba buy order me am sell order me loi chagi dune same thing market ji kumtharu re ko kumtharu matung sida if you look at this price na liquidity me am hantoi ko sigi relative equal low higher take the line chingni have te chumjing ko sigi equal low ko we sigi equal low ji lo tho matung da price na chen khatle chen khatlaga it takes out this liquidity sigi liquidity se lo tho okay chawana na si ying si ko sigi concept se na kai no price na kumthara aga liquidity se create or thame ꯆꯦꯟꯊꯕ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ but ꯁꯤꯒꯤ line imaginary line ꯐꯖꯕ line ꯑꯃ ꯆꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ trend line liquidity ꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯩ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ liquidity ꯁꯤ create ꯇꯧꯔꯦ liquidity ꯁꯤ create ꯇꯧꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ if price ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯨꯝꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯨꯝꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ what was the necessity for price to go down do like this and push up and go down again ko sigi push ama laise sigi push am piraise kem nateba I want you guys to understand sida leramba liquidity mayam se han tawdene kamaina han tawi they push the market up magda push tawraga amuk thadai jubra so moina changningiba lot size so sida they huge amount of huge amount of selling changningineba adugi huge amount of selling se chana naba buy order ga sell order ga match tawna what they do is markets da liquidity myam pusalakane retail traders myam changhan gane adu order sing se match tawre hire kan what they do is market se hana thugairamba sida leramba order myam se sida leramba stop loss myam se hana loi han tawthoni dana and then they drop the price sigi liquidity sisu it gets hunted okay same thing here sida leramba liquidity se hana lauthome they hand out this liquidity and then dumps right second thing is equal low create or kagre if you look at the right side ko namu halai ju brashi jaga sida okay equal low create or kagre na si equal low se lauthome dana this is equal low ne equal low lauthoma ga price goes up equal high creator kumgre chenghalapa kanda sigi equalizer lauthore jobra so it's just price taking out liquidity one after the another okay sida su yengbiro equal highs ko high ama lere high ama high any high home high mari price na si equalize lauthoi job exact aduga liquidity lauthokpa move se am phajabane adum haidi tapna lakpo oide ko yamna powerful oina chelei jubra liquidity lauthokpa move se yamna candle se yamna powerful oina chain bane ba let's find more examples adagi sigi example su yengbiro where price na sigi liquidity se create or matungda okay sigi liquidity se create or matu kumdhadringai da hana mathaka chenkhatlami se okay so we call this liquidity hunt lots and lots of orders me am phamaga leiba sigi orders samje lauthomdeni lauthommaga price dumps okay price dump to dene same thing here lots and lots of orders are sitting here orders me amje lauthoga price dumps so first thing akoina liquidity harakpa kanda equal highs and equal lows see equal high ngadani these are all equal highs equal highs e lauthoma kung rijubra so liquidity se kamaina use tawge equal high equal lows next thing the kaina swing high and swing low se mayam da sumaina understand tawhange ko hoi dum khange structure da higher high higher low higher low higher high higher low higher high higher low higher high adagi low lower high lower low lower high lower low lower high lower low sigi high and lows me am we call this swing high and swing lows ko sigi jaga me am this is where sigi jaga me am the su liquidity se phammaga laye okay liquidities are sitting in this areas I want you guys to understand that ado iba taragadi sida su liquidity lay haidene si high low form toriba jaga me am se sida su liquidity lay haidene so akoina trade changba ganda these are very important key areas high low form to jaga me key area de habadi price sigi high je lokhokiba oi taragadi we are not going to haidi pothabe yare nomitu gi ko example oina sigi low se lokhokre okay liquidity lokhoi ni ko si lokhoba kawe adagi sigi low se lokhore I just make this clean hange ko yeah adagi high dong yengo sigi high se lokhoe si liquidity ne sigi high se lokhoe sigi high se lokhoe sigi high se lokhoe sigi high se lokhoe right high loktho chakane swing high swing low lothok pa ko so equal highs, equal lows, swing highs, swing lows, session high, session lows ko na understand tau si ko habidi ko na New York session, London session, Asian session ki high low no moda si session create abo mayam se si high low session si da su liquidity oi habe wani ko. But let's understand this later. Ko na later classes understand tau se ado main oina si high and lows, equal high, equal low label si da ako na understand tau ko se kaino that huge amount of orders mayam paisa mayam mo pairaga lei haiduneba. Now see orders mayam ama paisa mayam paira lei bese first of all the big players ti moi di market makers ka tie up tawni ko habidi khoi gi order book ko ko. So I'll just show you what is an order book. Okay, see the order book ko. Okay, see the order book ko. Order book hai taraga di see green color is na buyer ni ko, see red color is seller ne. Okay, so karama price ki see bitcoin ki order book ni cryptocurrency ki nungai we na mo yi di order book utho e ko ado forex the stocks the order books pithokte ado sigi order book se bank kangu the moi di phangane ba ko bank kangu di moi order books visible oigani kaigino hire kanda moi se not only they are trading but moi se liquidity provider oina work the way broker mayam da ko. So they have the data moi the data ama lai mayamna retail traders mayamna trade se kadai karam price sangnari ye have moi di khange right. So see order book ki understanding moi the lai sell tau karma price the paisa ki am thadare ino pending pending order ni ko habidi sina changa order ne sina pending order ne habidi changak tori ko price level di matung ina leibo orders me am ne ko sigi orders ma match tau na do ne sigi sell siga sigi buy siga match tau na do ne volume du matung ina ko. Now sigi orders me am se match tau karam price ta paisa je laige liquidity se laige khangmani na big players mayam na sigi price level mayam je manipulate tau doine ba habidi liquidity level mayam je moina moigi buy order moigi sell order changba nungai na ba price chelhan da bagumba chelhan da di orders mayam build up tawra ne orders mayam build up tawra kan chelhan gi dune ba so that moigi orders match tau ba na ba moigi profit se book tau ba na ba aina sigi example trading liquidity se kaino understand chart understand tau daga su ai sigi phone se understand tau hange aina sigi phone se 50,000 da laire en ha se okay. Now 50,000 da laire aduga ai sigi phone se 60,000 da yoning e the main thing se kaino 60,000 da labor ngamgadaba apangama ha se ko market price is 50 ni ko but aina 60,000 da labor ngamgadaba apangama thiraga laihandoi ne yandai ko. Now the only way I can make people buy 60,000 da laihange hai taragadi irrespect market ki understanding da moi da takpi tare na si swine taragadi price jengkhat khani have mo na khara oi taragadi people are willing to buy at a premium price laihaning doine gyan dai ko adoi taragadi liquidity se adumak ne ba example oina sida am sambada si je equal high ne ba smart money na sida buy change harase smart money sida buy change en harase now moi sida si jaga sida order khara hapoba order khara lokthok pa tawdoi ne ba ado moi sida order khara hapke or order khara lokthok ke hai taragadi they need a lot of selling order sell order mayam mathau tai sida sell order mayam leibam change sida sell order mayam lai taragadi moi sida order hen hapangam doine gyan dai ko mayam aduna sida sell order mayam lai ge hai taragadi they need the M players sigumba M bearish triple top kumni hydro si maong da si mapa si da chentha gi ni have concept amada sida orders myam phamale si mapa sida they people also call this as support resistance science ko nei ko smain tawraga moi smain change smain ga yek pani ko aduga sida breakout tawre na si area swai area sigi samnaba area swainga changnaba nei ju khang exact khang de ko sida changba yaw ne swai daga changba yaw ne breakout tawre haraga te changdoi ne right. Now sida leiba liquidity mayam se smart money ne utilize tawba one da moigi sell order da or moigi buy order hen hapchan ba yana ba natraga moigi order se book moigi profit book tawba yana ba moina liquidity is used tawba right. So as a trader as a smart money trader understand tawba matung ina kedogani hire kan sida aina liquidity se kamaina use tawgadagi have a question chine khwai maru orise ko liquidity hai tardi kaino ma'am yamna ngaudabida liquidity hai taraga this is where price will be attracted price na chensan gadaba jaga ne liquidity hai se adui taragadi price sumaina leramba ganda it is a very bad idea to sell sigi jaga se sell to was danger oba jaga ne okay so liquidity ki first thing is aina liquidity se ai profit book tawba yaba jaga oina udoi ne example oina ai sida trade chang taraga ai sida profit khara book tawba yai okay same thing here also and any time high or low amak lok thor pa ji sigi low example oina si low si ye age ko okay and let's make a big kitang hain tawage aduga ai sigi jaga se sell size sida ai sell entry change ha se okay I'm taking a sell entry here aina sell entry chang banga na market kum thare aduga sigi low se lok thopa which is a liquidity sigi low se lok thorpa kanda ai profit book to yare and if you can see lok tho e kum tak adi ka ba hore ko mu ko so adumaina example oina sigi low song yeng ase sigi low se okay I say entry se sida changbara somewhere changa kanda su sigi low se lok tho e have kanda ai profit book to yare gen dai go me and then khabu di thare anywhere I can book adui matung dom kar isu bra so liquidity sin I want the adui confirmation on the p do ne right okay sigi low am le me sida su ko sigi low le this is one sina concept ama aina profit low bogi concept ama second concept sina entry chang bagi entry chang mai concept sina kamai tawge ha gan sida sigi equal high se market na chen khat le dana chen khat laga kumthagri jubra soina doi taragadi how can I make use of this aina sigi concepts understand tawge ha tar I need to understand structure lower high lower low lower high lower low lower high lower low price mai kum dor bani khanga bane now question je kaino ha gan sida let's see jaga je si ne khala se si high je kamaina create tor ka do you know have a question je ne gyan dai ga me sigi high je create tawge high ba kanda price na sumaina move tor ka ne once si jau khredana so this sumaina single ane sumaina and then sumaina tor ga thingal amaga kungi do ne so aina confirmation pa mi je once si sina lower high form tawdore se confirm comment phange ha kan sida price starts creating liquidity price na liquidity create tawba hore okay price liquidity create tawba hore aduga sigi liquidity se sumaina han tawkane once price na sumaina han tawhra matung sida I am confirmed that okay price se makha kumbagi ready tawre or reversal lakpagi ready oire habado confirm oidune and then it goes down right so mayam main things se akhoi liquidity se utilize tawge hai taragadi quite the important or say it's understanding market structure and market phase market structure understand tawam chumi ko haidi liquidity sidi details ne manungi details ne but the overall skeleton the overall price action sidi kaino sigi structure se ne adon structure se na price na sumain kumthara kani he khangba kanda sigi jaga se high form tawdore khangba kanda sigi jaga se da liquidity han tawba liquidity chain base uba phangdoi ne right so if you want to understand market structure understand tawge hai taragadi mathak ta video ma tho lai se changa yengbiu so you understand market structure okay and liquidity so understand tawba hen gani so mayam gi homework oina just aina tahoni se kaino equal highs equal lows swing highs swing lows yekthok piyo yekpa ngamba yekpiyo right equal highs equal lows swing highs swing lows yekthok piyo yekthok matung sida magi right side ta sigi liquidity se kamaina lokthok ke habado adu kitang understand tawbiyo ko what I want you to understand trading is a skill it takes time matam change hoji khutak ta hairoi but practice tawra hairakane right so homework to example oina just equal high ye any ko example equal low high se equal low ye any equal low ye ko magi right side te yengo sigi equal low je lokthom mas that's all this is the homework guys akoina sigi 5-day bootcamp se lo rapaganda you guys will be able to understand in deep how smart money concepts work aduga smart money concepts na akoida kaya mateng pangani kyam kanarakani habdo you guys will be able to understand better Right? Thank you so much, guys, and get ready for day 3. And any questions, comment, hangbiro, I will help you guys out. Thank you.